Morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I give you the promise that I've I have completed my promise that I have told you that the book about word power made easy. So this is that book, Word Power Made Easy, which will help you to improve your vocabulary. Now we will continue this book in the further videos also. So let's start this book and how this book can help you to improve your English speaking practice, as well as how you can speak English confidently and fluently like the native speaker. So this book is with me and I'm going to take you so that how this book can help us. So give me just a minute so that I can open this book for you. And so this is here. Let's how to use this book for the maximum benefit. You just need to buy this book from the market so that you can read all these things. So we will come to the point how to test the present vocabulary. Once as a child. So when you use the once, you have to take a pause. Once as a child, you were an expert, comma, an accomplished virtuous at learning new words. Today, comma, by comparison, you are a rank and bumbling amateur. Does this statement sound insulting? It may be. So you have to take a space. There's a space between two words, so you have to take a pause. But if you are the average adult, then again there is a comma, so it means that you have to take a pause. It is a statement that is unfortunately only too true. So this is the way which can help you. A test of the vocabulary range also. There is a okay, a baffling problem. So there are the five options: difficult, simple, puzzling, long. So I'm going to take you the answer of that. That one is, so the answer of the baffling problem is puzzling. A baffling problem. So you can understand a baffling problem. It means that there is something which is not easy. So again, puzzling is the answer. So these type of the words are there, which will help you to improve your vocabulary. I'm going to read one more word also. Endless. Okay, again another word. An ocular problem. An ocular problem. So we'll get the meaning of that word is unexpected, unsoluble, visual, continual, imaginary. So the answer is visual. So the answer is visual. So if you will learn this book, vocabulary from this book, so believe me my friends, you will going to improve your vocabulary. And if your vocabulary will improve, so you can speak. Nobody can stop you because you know the words and you don't know the meaning of that word, and you know very well that how to use that word and how to make a sentence. So now we're going to start on another chapter. How to start building your vocabulary. So we have, when you have finished working with this book, you will no longer be the same person. If you cannot be, if you honestly read every page, if you do every exercise, if you take every test, if you follow every principle, you will go through an intellectual experience that will effect a radical change in you. Yes, believe me, my friends, books are the best friend. Forget about the scrolling on the Instagram, on the other websites or the another application. Believe in yourself that you can improve. If you feel that you can improve yourself, you can be a good person, you can speak English confidently and fluently like the native speaker. And if you want to open a new opportunity for you, going study for abroad also, or you want to get a job in MNC, so English is the key for success. So I'm going to read something which is very important for you. This is here. in the page number 29, what this book can do for you. This book is designed to get you started building your vocabulary effectively and at, at jet propelled speed. Jet propelled speed means the jet engine. How fast the jet engine, we know that. If you want to go from India to New York, New Delhi to New York, it just takes 20 hours. And if you talk about the miles, it is more than 20,000 miles. So this is that is why they are telling over there jet propelled speed. By helping you regain the intellectual atmosphere, the keen insatiable curiosity, the powerful urge to learn of your childhood. How to talk about personality types. So this is the main topic we are talking about. Me first. Me first. Your attitude to life is simple, direct, and above board. Every decision you make is based on the answer to the one question: what is in it for me? If yours selfishness, greed, and ruthless desire for the self advancement hurt other people, that's too bad. This is a tough word. And all that. And I, for one, am not going to be fed behind and egoistic. So, this is the egoistic. The height of the conceit. Now let's see. Have you heard about all the money I'm making? Did I tell you about my latest amorphous conquest? Let me give you my opinion. I know because I'm an expert and practically everything. You are boastful to the point of being obnoxious. So you have to tell me the meaning of the obnoxious. You have only one string to your conversational bow, namely yourself, and on it you play a number of monotonous variations. What you think, what you have done, how good you are, how you would solve the problem of the world, etc. And egotist. So we were talking about the egoist and now is egotist. So one word is add on this. Let me help you. You have discovered the secret of true happiness, concerning yourself with the welfare of others. Never mind your own interest. How's that next fellow getting along? And altruist. So we are talking here about the personalities. Personalities. We know that in the society there are so many kind of people. Some are kind with you, some are not kind, some are going to help others, some are not. So we are talking about the personalities. So there is a one word for them, those who also help others or do good things, an altruist. So you have to read that book and I'm going to help you to do that. So now we have done a session 1. What you need to do, you need to buy this book from the market and start reading that book. I'm not going to tell you that learn that book or learn every page. Just read that book again and again and believe in myself and believe in yourself that you will going to improve your English as well, so that you can open a new opportunity for you. So I hope you like the video of today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.